Dear students, in the previous video, you have learned that friction is desirable in some cases, while it is undesirable in others. When desirable, we have to think about increasing the friction, and when undesirable, we have to think about minimizing the friction. Let's see how friction can be increased in desirable cases. You might have noticed that sole of your shoes having grooves, that is, cut in rubber. These grooves provide better grip with the surface on which you are walking. You must have seen tires of vehicles. The grooves on their tires perform the same function. If the grooves are not there, then the shoe and tire just skid over the surface, and you can imagine the trouble it can cause. Is it possible for you to ride your bicycle without brakes? No. The makers of bicycles and automobiles increase the friction by using brake pads in the brake system. During riding, the brake pads do not touch the wheels. However, once you press the brake lever, the brake pads get strongly pressed over the rim, thereby increasing the friction between them. Due to increased friction, the motion of vehicle slows down or even stops. You might have seen sports players, gymnasts, rubbing their hands with soil or some rough substance so as to have better grip over the object they tend to hold. Let's see how friction can be decreased in undesirable cases. When you play carom, you sprinkle fine powder on the board. Why is it so? It reduces the friction between the surface of the board and the surface of the striker. If oil drops are poured on hinges of door, it smoothens the motion of door. Applying grease between the moving parts of automobile and machines forms thin layer between the rubbing surface. This layer avoids the interlocking of irregularities between surface. It helps to reduce friction and makes the movement smooth. As a result, the efficiency, that is, working ability of machine increases. Such substances which reduces the friction are called lubricants. Wheels reduce friction. Let's perform an activity. From the activity, you might have got the idea that due to pencil, the resistance to the motion of the book is reduced. It is always easier to roll than to slide a body over another. Wheels fitted to the luggage bags, trolleys, roll over the surfaces and avoid direct contact between the surfaces. By doing so, the friction reduces. When one body rolls over the surface of another body, the resistance to its motion is called rolling friction. As rolling friction is much less than sliding friction, therefore, most machines use ball bearings, thereby replacing sliding activity by rolling. Axles of ceiling fan and automobiles are some common examples of wheels reducing friction. I hope you have got good understanding of this topic. Thanks for watching this video.